We live in a world right now that's in need of repair, and everyone has their own slice of responsibility that they need to take.
What we do in terms of our giving is we implement the Jewish values that are so important to us in making the world a better place. So little can help somebody so much. Whether it's a grant of $1,000 that helps someone for continuing education, or a $500 grant that helps someone with the payment of an electric bill, or money for clothing and food.
Here at JFCS, we have parents from all different backgrounds, teaching them parenting skills. What our parents did with us, we normally do with our children, unless you have an opportunity to hear different. And then you can make a choice to try something new.
Bloom provides a space where kids can come and they're taken care of and entertained, and moms can come and take care of themselves. You can love your children desperately and at the same exact time really miss what your life was like before you had children. And that's normal and it's okay, and it doesn't make you less of a mother, it makes you more of a person.
By bringing together people from different neighborhoods, from different backgrounds,
we provide hope.
We do this kind of work to eradicate social ills.
We have an obligation to leave the world a better place.
You're really hearing about each other's experience, and you're really, walking in someone else's shoes.
My daughter Erin and I have been volunteering for the JFCS grocery delivery program since its inception in the beginning of COVID.
I remember it was a Monday. We had a meeting about starting on a Wednesday.
200 clients twice a month. Each client gets 2 bags of groceries delivered straight to their doorstep.
We just really listened to what our clients are looking for and changing it accordingly.
You're getting, a friendly knock at your door twice a month from a JFCS volunteer.
I just feel like it's a great thing to do in the community.
We need to feel like we're connected.
To use my time valuably.
I really like helping other people.
It was just a wonderful, wonderful gift.
Camp Mariposa is a year-long camp that services children ages 9 to 12 who have substance use disorder in their families. The power of Camp Mariposa is that all of these children are coming from the same experience, and we create a community where they can talk openly about what they normally feel shame and stigma around. I just love giving them a safe place to talk about it and feel loved.
We go into the Philadelphia School District and we offer curricula that enhances social emotional education as well as drug and alcohol education. You're giving this child the opportunity to be themselves, to ask the questions, to show their vulnerabilities. And those kids get so excited that they can ask any question they want and get a real honest answer that hands go up.
Our closet started an emergency package delivery program.
My mother, who's 92, has been put on hospice, and it will make my mom feel just so much better knowing that her things are going to be helping other people.
What we do at our closet is a small piece, of course, of repairing the world, but every piece counts.
Since the pandemic, we've served over 2,500 individuals.
My hope is that people feel that both their basic needs are being met, and also that they feel love and dignity and respect kind of delivered to their door.
If we create an opportunity for someone to think about someone else's perspective in a different way, or just build empathy between each other, then we've really done a lot of work.
If we have strong children growing up in a positive environment, a loving environment, love, that's how we repair the world.
It's kind of like that drop in the water where the ripples come out. The student is the drop and they ripple their knowledge.
We're all on a small planet, and the more we make that planet a planet of love and caring for each other, the better off we all are as a people.